In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi on Windows 11. All right, so if you have a Windows 11 PC or laptop, mostly laptop because PC, you're going to be on an Ethernet cable, right? So to do this, you're going to see on the lower right corner of your screen, you have your volume and your internet connection, right? Your network too. So click on that and a small pop-up will appear that will have two options: diagnose network problems and network and internet settings. So click on network and internet settings like so. And then you're going to be brought to network and internet. So as you can see here, I'm connected to the Ethernet because I'm connected to an Ethernet cable to my internet connection. But if you have a Wi-Fi option on your computer, which I do not have because my motherboard doesn't have Wi-Fi capabilities, but some motherboards do. So I'm going to put a screenshot here and show you that there's going to be an option for Wi-Fi, and all you need to do is press enable. Because enable, disable, you need to turn it on and just click on enable, and you'll have a Wi-Fi on your computer or your laptop that has Windows 11 OS in it. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.